Hi guys, just wanted to do a little video on a modification for the little charger, the BT-C3100, the Opus. It's a great device. New Zealand summer's coming. I'm using this all the time, right? So we're charging up, we're discharging. If you put your hand on the battery, sometimes you feel them getting very slightly warm. It's not a big deal. But this is the only fan that we have. It's been built into this, and really, wouldn't it be awesome if we had a fan instead of this size, we had something like this, right? Cooling the thing down properly, doing a much stronger, much more powerful job than this. So, some very clever people, and what they've developed is these. I've got a couple of them, and I'd like to say thank you to Hunt Morehouse. Thank you, sir. 3D printed off a design. I'll pop a little file at the bottom of this video just to, if anybody knows anyone with a 3D printer and they want to get it done for themselves, it's the way to go. What we're going to do is we're going to pop this in here, sort it out. Then what we're going to do is we're going to remove the 4 screws on the back of this, which I've already done, just to show you. Okay, and right here is the connection to the little fan. Now you can take that white connector off, or you can split the wires and join them with the fan. Red obviously positive, black negative, which I'll do now. I'll come back, I'll not do it on video because I'm pretty rubbish at stuff like that, and we'll see what it looks like. Okay guys, so what I've decided to do is, I'll just bring this up. I've actually decided just to solder the wires onto the connection. Pulled off the little plastic connection, little plastic connector, there it is. So I just pulled that off the 2 pins, and there's a little sign here, positive, negative, tells you on the thing. So I've put the battery in the case, screwed the battery in, just a couple of screws to keep it tight. Now let's see if you can see the battery, see if it goes, hang on. Yep, and off. So it's just a startup sequence on the battery, so that's working absolutely fine. So let me get this all back together again, and I'll come back to you again. Okay guys, so screw it together again. I stole 4 little feet. I could have used the 4 feet off the base, I suppose, but I had these 4 little feet. Went the high-tech road and stuck them on a super glue. Yeah, look, what a mod that is. That is fantastic. It's going to keep it nice and cool. Thank you, Hunt. And as I say, I'll put the design for it at the very bottom of the video. If anybody knows a 3D printer, yeah, look, get it done, or maybe you have one yourself. Good job. See you next video. Thanks, guys.